video, I will show you how to download and install JDK22 software. So if I will go through Google and if I will type Java 22 download, see now the current version of Java is Java 22. So I will show you how to download JDK22 or Java 22 software and we will install. Then after successful installation, then we will see how to write a simple Java program and how we will execute. So we will start. What I will do, in Google I typed Java 22 download and I will click the first link. So you see, so Java 22 for Java 22 and for Linux operating system, Mac operating system and Windows operating system, these files are given. So basically we are requiring for Windows operating system, and now I will click on Windows operating system. Then we got these three files and you see choose x64 installer. This file you choose, and now I will click on this file, then JDK22 will download. Now you see, now I will click. So now the software downloaded. You see now my download is complete. So I will go to my download option. And so this is my JDK software. So now in this way we downloaded JDK software. So I will do copy and I will paste in a folder. Okay, so now here I have created a folder Java softwares. In that folder I kept JDK22 software and installation we will start. So it is very simple. Simply I will double click, then click on S button, and click on next button. Click on next button. Now the installation started. So installation is going on. Okay, you see, so Java SE Development Kit 22 within bracket for 64-bit operating system successfully installed. Then click on close button. Now this is step number 1, because as we know, so Java software installation process consisting 2 steps. Step 1, download and install JDK22. Then step number 2, set the class path. Now in step 2 we will set the class path. You see in which way that we will set the class path. So once JDK22 software we downloaded, we installed successfully, then I will go to C drive. I will go to C drive. Then I will go to program files, and you see, so a Java folder will create automatically. Then I will go to this folder and you see JDK22. Then I will click on bin button and you see this is the path. So this is the path. This path created after successfully installation of JDK22. Now what I will do, just this path I will do the copy. So path is C drive, then program files folder, then Java folder, then JDK22 folder, then Win folder. So this path I copied. Then I will go to my computer right click, then properties button, then go to advanced system settings, then go to environment variables, and then go to path. There is a path option. You double click, then click on edit text button, and you see, so this is all are quite some system related path. So here I will paste whatever the path I had copied, so I pasted this path. Then click on OK button, then click on OK button, then click on OK button. So in this way we did or we completed path setup. Then I will go to command prompt. Then just I will type java-version, and you see, so Java version 22. So this is the successfully installation of download and installation of JDK22 software. Now I will close. Suppose I will go to, just I will open a notepad and simply suppose I will write a program. Let it class name, let class name is my example. Let public static void main string args. So one output statement, suppose I will write system.out.println. Suppose I will write Java means Silan Software. Simply one message I want to display. Now I will save. I will go to any drive. Suppose I will go to a drive. I will go to Java program folder, and my file name is, we know that class name.java, and I will do all files. Then I will save. Then I will go to command prompt. I will go to a drive. I will go to Java program folder, and I will compile Java C space file name my example.java. Then compilation is successful. Then I will run Java space class name. So you see, and we got the output. That means whatever the JDK22 software we downloaded, we installed successfully, then we wrote a simple program, then we executed and we got the output. So I hope everybody got clarity. Thank you.